You'll want a double needle that is compatible with your particular machine. I'm sewing on a Singer Quantum, so I'm using the Singer needle. Remove your single needle and replace it with the double needle. Make sure the right sides of the needles are facing you. Thread the left needle first, then feed through another spool. I'm setting my machine to a double needle setting, and then I just do a test stitch on a scrap, and I found that the bottom stitch is a bit tight, and when it's tight like that it doesn't stretch as well, so I increased the tension of the top needles a bit and it turned out a lot better. When I sew, I keep the base stitch in between the two needles, ensuring that I don't snag the basting stitches and that I catch the edge neatly. It's easy and it looks super professional. Actually, it was funny, I was sitting at my desk and my husband asked me where I got this sweater, and beaming, I replied that I made it. And he was so surprised, even though he knows I sew 90% of my wardrobe. So if you follow these instructions, you too can have a professional looking garment. Once you're done, give the hem a quick press and you are finished.